Okay, we're going to take a look at using Firebug and the custom CSS box on posts and pages in the content management system to change the look and feel of the shopping cart in one of our applications. So let's just go ahead and get started here. We're going to log into the content management system. And so the page, let's look at the issue right here. Here's the issue, and here's the screenshot of the problem. So we don't have a URL to go off of here. So we're looking at it, looks like it's the confirmation page. So we're going to have to just sort of assume how we get there. So let's go to the site, and we're going to buy the CD. And so we're going to add to the cart. And that page looks okay, so we'll update cart and proceed to checkout. So that's not the page that we're looking for yet. Fill in all this information. And proceed to confirmation. Okay, so it looks like this is the page that we're talking about here. So unfortunately, we'll probably have to do that same thing in Firefox, because I did it in Safari like an idiot. So I'm going to open it in Firefox. And okay, good. That information looks like it's all filled in for us, so we can just go proceed to checkout. And here we go. So how do we go about doing this? So we're going to highlight this, and so all I did was hit Command Shift C to bring up the inspector, the DOM inspector, and so we see here that that is an LI, and it doesn't have any background properties. So we're looking for where the background is set, because the complaint is that the gray text is unreadable against the black background. So we generally just want to add a background to, oh, here we go. So that element looks like it's primed to get a background. So the class here is eShop checkout conf. So my first idea would be to go in here, and so we're going to go back here. We're going to go to pages. I'm kind of running out of time here, so if I have to make this 2 screencasts, I'll continue this in part 2. So we're going to go here, and we see under here shopping cart we have checkout. So we're just going to highlight this and go edit. And then we're going to scroll down here and find the custom CSS box. And here we go. Here's some things we have right now. So we're going to go in here and scroll up and add the class name, and we're just going to say background, and we'll say we'll make up a hex code there since I don't have what we actually want it to be. Go up here, we'll update the posts. And then we'll go take a look at our handiwork here. And there's the background right there. And it looks like it's hanging over here a little bit, so you may want to give that, change the width on this. So in order to do that, you can highlight this and maybe try setting a margin right of 3px, maybe 5px, 6px, 7px. That looks good. And then once we have that, we would just copy that, bring it back into our little code base over here, or excuse me, our custom CSS, and we're just going to add margin right and paste that value. Always remember your semicolon, and you're done.